Jupiter, Roll Forming Private Limited. Jupiter was established in 2008 to assembling and manufacturing of machines distinguished by quality, integrity, teamwork and experience. Since our inception, we have witnessed steady and sustainable growth with wide acceptance of products in the market. We are reckoned as one of the leading manufacturers of roll-forming machines with various profiles as per customer requirement, catering to the various requirements of the industry from decades. Jupiter Enterprise has developed sophisticated design, manufacturing and assembly capabilities to meet key needs of today's industries. We have expanded our manufacturing capacity up to 45 machines per month to reach our clients' requirement. We have maintained high quality and precision to deliver state-of-the-art machines in the market. We are backed by complete facilities to ensure on-time delivery of machines and prompt after-sales service. We evaluate our manufacturing techniques and our products on a regular basis in our in-house R&D department, to ensure quality output to our clients. For this purpose, we have developed a team of experts which is skilled and have in-depth knowledge of the domain that motivates us to complete and manage all our tasks easily while maintaining mutually agreeable relationships with clients and merchants. We use carefully programmed customized ERP system to track our productions, purchase and vendor department. We are backed by complete facilities from CNC VMC shop to grinding and drilling to ensure top-of-the-notch quality and on-time delivery of machines. We have upgraded our capabilities with a well-equipped manufacturing setup with qualified managers, engineers as well as technicians. We offer a full range of garage services to forming owners located in any area. Our professionals know how to handle a wide range of roll-forming services. We can help you with everything from roll forming to roll forming line. We can handle any problem on both finest accuracy and finishes. Increase your productivity with our efficient and reliable machines. On-time delivery, customized design and 100% after-sales commitment. This is our promise to you. We aspire to be a global market leader while delivering premium quality products, upholding integrity and ethical standards, reinforce in corporate alliances etc., as our support for progressive growth. So join us to make better rooftops for homes, families, factories, animals and many living species.